Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are fine and going well. So today we will discuss the questions and answers of chapter number 4, Mangoes Round the Year. Okay, so let's start this session without any further delay. So the first question is, how did Aman know that the potato sabji had got spoiled? So the answer is, as bad smell was coming from potato sabji, Aman got to know that the potato sabji had got spoiled. Okay. Now move to the next question. Have you ever seen some food that has got spoiled, and how? So the answer is yes. As bad smells come from the spoiled food, I got to know that food has got spoiled. Now the next question. Preeti told Neetu not to eat the potato sabji. What would have happened if she had eaten it? Neetu would have fallen sick if she had eaten it. Is that clear? Now next question. Look in your kitchen and write down the names of food items that can get spoiled in 2-3 days. Like rice, sabzi, milk, roti, chapati, bread, etc. can get spoiled in 2-3 days. The food items that can be kept for a week are potato, onions, ginger, lemon, carrots, etc. The food items which would not spoil till 1 month are rice, grains, pickle, jam, raw rice, oil, ghee, etc. Now next move on to the next question. Look at your friends list and discuss in the class. So do it yourself, dear students. Okay. Now next question is, will your list be the same in all seasons? What would change? See, the list will not be the same. List will be changed according to the seasons. Okay. Now the next question. When food gets spoiled in your house, what do you do with it? See, generally we put the spoiled food into the dustbin or trash. Okay. BG returned the bread. Look at the picture of the bread packet given in your book and guess why BG returned it. So, why BG returned it? See, as fungus was formed in the bread, BG returned it. Besides that, bread packet may have crossed expiry date also. That's why BG returned it. It may happen. Now next question, how did she find that the bread had got spoiled? See, as there were black spots in the bread, she found out that bread had got spoiled. Okay. Now next questions. Okay. Look carefully at 2-3 packets of food items. What can we know from what is written on the packet? See, we can know about manufacturing date, expiry date, net weight of the product, price or MRP, and the ingredient used in the product. Okay. When you buy anything from the market, what do you look for on the packet? I look for the manufacturing date and expiry date of the product. Okay. Now move on to the next question. See, upcoming 4 questions answers have been discussed in Mamidi Tantra video. So you can watch this video also. Link will be given in the description box. So you can watch the answers of these questions in that video also. Okay. Link is already given in the description box. Now the next question is, list of different types of pickles that you know about and share with your friends. So these are mango pickle, lemon pickle, chili pickle, amla pickle, mixed vegetable pickles, etc. Find out and discuss. Is there any kind of pickle made in your home? What kind of pickle it is? Who makes it? From whom did they learn to make the pickle? Okay. So the answer is mango pickle is made in my home. My mother makes it and she learned it from my grandmother. Okay. Now move on to the next question. How are these things made in your home? First one is papad, second one is chutney. So sabudana papad, rinse the sabudana papad in water and grind up. After adding salt and spices, put it on a moist cotton cloth with required size and leave it to dry under the sun. you can enjoy by trying this papad. Now chutney. Take some tomato, sugar and spices, mix it, cook it together and until it becomes thick. So tomato chutney is also prepared. Okay, so papad and chutney recipe is there. Now what we have learnt. Glass jars and bottles are dried well in the sun before filling them with pickles. Why it is done? Do you know what happened to the bread in the experiment? So answer of the first question is yes, glass jars and bottles are dried well in the sun as the fungus grow and in the moisture and bottles and pickles will be spoiled. Yes, the bread had got spoiled due to fungus. To eat mangoes round the year, we make different items like pickle, papad, chutney, chikki, etc. List some other foods with which we make different things so that we can enjoy it throughout the year. So these are aloo chips, dried vegetables, amla ka murabba, gourd murabba, milk peda, jam, jelly, etc. So this we can make for an year, okay? So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope this video has helped you to understand the chapter. Thanks for watching.